Yo, Jonathan here, got a box fresh off the press, straight from the horse and carriage. Is that a saying? If so, that horse dropped this off quite literally minutes ago. I'm not 100% sure what's inside here, so we get to find out together. What I have been told, however, is this is a time-sensitive Black Friday deal so good it would even impress the great LD. Not that LD, Larry David. When that horse dropped this off, it of course was packed within a bigger box. Now that we've gotten it down to this, we do know that inside there is a gram. I assume it's not the producer slash artist, although Graham, love what you're doing. Knowing that this is from LG, we can kind of connect the dots and assume this is an LG gram, but I am really curious to see what kind and how great this Black Friday deal is. The other thing that I'm excited for, I get a chance to whip out a knife, and not just any knife. This is straight from Zach, aka Jerry Rig Everything, and this is the first time getting to use this, so thank you, dude, for sending this out. Now, as I kind of dive into this box, I think Black Friday deals at this point kind of almost have become a meme. Really, what I mean by that is most Black Friday deals essentially are a wolf in sheep's clothing, where they want it to appear as you're getting a deal, but in reality, you're really not. LG, of course, ain't no wolf in sheep's clothing, so let's open this up and see what we got inside. Side note, this knife kind of rips. It is built like a tank. It is sharp as all heck. I don't think we'd expect any less, so shout out Zach. Off rip, we got this nice little pull tab. Gotta love a pull tab. And the attention to detail, the fact that it's a little G for Graham is kind of sick. It's also letting us know that this is a full metal body, so we know build quality is about to be incredible. Before I get to that, let's quickly get just the other accessories and power out of the box. This is really nice, the fact that this small tiny brick is going to power this laptop. We got the USB-C cable, and that's it in terms of accessories. So nice, simple, and clean. You really got to appreciate the modern times that we live in, because not too long ago we had tanks and bricks for laptop power adapters. Moment of truth though, let's go ahead and bring the laptop out and take advantage of that pull tab. You really got to appreciate smart, intuitive packaging and presentation. Okay, so what immediately surprised me to the point where it kind of has me questioning things is how light this thing is. It almost feels like the battery maybe isn't installed in here and potentially it's in another slot. Like, that's how light it feels. I don't think that's the case, but we're just gonna double check. We got a little envelope. We're gonna open that up and see what's in here first. This is just the owner's manual, regulatory information. Not too much going on here. I don't think there's a battery. I think that's as light as this laptop is. I'm just gonna check every part of this box to make sure. And nope. That's just how light the laptop is. Like, it's actually kind of mind-blowing how lightweight this is, but I guess with Graham in the name, that makes sense. Hold on one second. Scale time, just want to see exactly how light this laptop is, because I assume this is a 17-inch screen, which one would think it wouldn't be that light, but again, with the Graham in the name, pop it on. 3.13 pounds. So the fact that you're getting all of this computer, all this laptop, and it weighs just over 3 pounds is kind of nuts. In some cases where you really want a desktop-like experience, at least with the display, and you can only have one machine, I feel like this does give you the best of both worlds, but it's also not going to weigh your backpack down like a pack of potatoes. Sack of potatoes. Either way, this is lighter than potatoes. We'll go ahead and get the scale out of the way. Very, 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 very clean. We got a matte black finish. Build quality feels great. I think one of the initial laptop tests you can always perform is, can it pass the one finger test? And it does with flying colors. This thing is stealthy, clean, and light. So we're powered on. The display looks incredible. I'm used to a much smaller laptop, so having this much screen real estate is kind of awesome. It kind of feels almost like I'm hooked up to an external display, if that makes sense. To quickly recap, this is a 17-inch LG Gram touchscreen display, Intel Core Ultra 7 and Intel Arc graphics inside. 23 and a half hours of video playback, so battery life is absurd. Copilot plus PC, Dolby Atmos, and the million-dollar question, how good is this Black Friday deal? Drum roll, please. So this is happening at bestbuy.com. I'll have that link below. It's running from 11/20 through 12/1, so November 20th through December 1st, and it's on sale for $999.99, which is kind of nuts. I feel like the laptop market specifically is ultra competitive these days, and yes, you can absolutely grab a laptop for around that $1,000 price point, but that does usually come with trade-offs. Absolutely nobody can argue with the value of a MacBook Air or entry-level MacBook Pro, but I feel like sometimes people just need a bigger display, more ins, more outs, and honestly, more battery life, which this is giving you all of that. So I'm going to quickly hop into Copilot plus PC and ask, why is this LG Gram, which packs a 17-inch touch display, Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, a 1 terabyte SSD, the best Black Friday deal at $999? I'll add that 99 cents. Simple answer, because it's a $1,700 premium laptop marked down to $999.99. You're getting flagship specs, the display, the processor, RAM, the SSD for nearly 40% off, which is extremely rare in the ultralight category. Even here it says Black Friday deals often cut corners. Less RAM, smaller SSD, older CPUs, but this one delivers top tier specs without compromise. It's even featured on Slick Deals, highlighted as a front page hot deal. It combines premium specs, ultralight portability, and massive savings. So you're essentially buying a workstation class laptop at mid-range pricing, which is rare. Lastly, as I kind of wrap things up, I did immediately notice that this display featured anti-glare coating, which was really nice for my eyes. It's a taller 16:10 aspect ratio, so you're getting more room for activities, and it has a 99% DCI-P3 color gamut. So while this is going to be great for just everyday casual users, it's also going to really work well for creators as well. So this kind of really is the complete package. There's not really much more to say. This is an incredible deal. Again, it runs from 11/20 through 12/1 at bestbuy.com. That link is below. I appreciate you guys watching. Just something as simple as commenting, watching, subscribing. It really does mean the world. This is Jonathan, and I will catch you guys later.